Any of you remember how you did at chemistry during your academics time? I think even if you didn't do well then or you didn't study it, I think it's an important subject at work. Whether it's your first job where you look for people with whom you have chemistry, wavelength, and as you grow, become manager, leaders, you need to have that chemistry with your team, with your peers, with your boss is inevitable. I remember once I went for a job interview and it's a company where I wanted to work and the vibes with the person who interviewed me was supposed to going to be my boss wasn't there. So what do I do? I said, oh, this chemistry is not there. The vibes are not great. I met other people in that company, his bosses, many other peer groups. They're wonderful. I said, okay, इनके साथ मेरा जम रहा है. Not why not with the guy with whom I'm supposed to work. So I was hesitant, but I was desperate too. I wanted to get that job there, and I said, let me give it a try because somebody gave me this gyan that chemistry can be worked upon. It is not absolute. So I took the offer, and as it happens, my boss also had to spend time to ensure I joined the company. All this so-called candidate warming kind of things we do. We did coffee together, one or two lunches. We had a lot of time, a couple of months before I joined. And that is a phase where I said, it's not so bad. I think I can work with it. Like I said, I always wanted this job. So it was in me, in my interest to make it work. That's how I saw it. But when I reflect back after working there with the gentleman, I realized that it was not easy. Initially, there was always that vibes that came into my head first. My own self-talk was saying that you don't get along with this person. He is not like your friend, like my other bosses were. Obviously, there were templates from elsewhere where there were chemistries. But over a period of time, I felt the relationship or the chemistry worked. And even today, it's many years, we catch up, we meet, whichever town that we land up in, we make it a point to meet. We sort of built that, I won't say chemistry, but that camaraderie which made us work well together as a team. We delivered results. But sometimes I think this chemistry thing we take very seriously and make decisions around that. And it is important, I won't deny that, because it's very difficult to work with people with whom you don't have the so-called vibes, wavelength. My sense and experience is that chemistry can be built if you have intent. Now, my question to you, as always, is the same. The chemistry part. Do you think chemistry can be really built? Or is it like this? होता है या नहीं होता है? Let me know what you think.